Hello everybody and welcome back to another video by Funlearn Tutorials. I'm going to be continuing with the concept of absolute advantage, and I am going to be talking about a possible alternative interpretation of the matrix here. So for that I will copy this matrix down below. Yes, so I have this. I have the same numbers, right? 10, 20, 20, 10. But here we had one person of the country A takes 10 hours to make 10 units of 1 unit of X. Another alternative explanation, but the same reasoning would remain. It would be 10 people of country 10 people of country A makes 1 unit X. So I am ignoring the concept of hours here. So here, instead of the unit being hours, the unit becomes labor. Right, that is what I mean to say when the unit is of concern. So here the unit was hours and here the unit is labor. The meaning essentially remains the same. It means that I can spend less people to make 1 unit of X. So the interpretation remains the same, the conclusion remains the same, but just the meaning changes, the meaning of the numbers. Usually the meanings are always specified. So here instead of 10, 20 people of country A make 1 unit Y. Here 20 people of country B make 1 unit X, and here 10 people of country B make 1 unit Y. So let me just give you a brief proof as to why I am saying the meaning remains the same. Here just 10 people can make 1 unit of X, so 20 people can make 2 units of X. Same as what happened here. Here 20 people, all 20 people have to work together to make just 1 unit of X. So country A is better off in making X because it requires less manpower to make X, so it will keep making these X's. Similarly, country B can use 10 people to make 1 unit of Y, but it needs 20 whole people, that is double the amount, to make 1 unit of X. So it can take 20 people and make 2 units of Y. That is better for them. They can make 20 units and then they exchange 1 unit for the other. So the worth was measured in terms of hours here. So 1 unit of X given up means 10 hours given up. Here 1 unit of X given up means 10 people given up. In meaning, not 10 people given up, 10 people worth of something given up, something that is worth 10 people to them. So the meaning remains the same. A ends up producing all X's, B ends up producing all Y's, and then they exchange. So that the basic concept of absolute advantage remains the same. You do what you are the best at, whatever you have absolute advantage in, and then you exchange with the people that you are surrounded by, and then both of the countries will be better off. So that is an alternative way. There is another alternative way of explaining this concept, but then the reasoning may reverse. So that is an important way of understanding the same concept. If you understand the same concept in different ways and then you understand, like remember everything, then life becomes a little easier because you are sure that you have understood it properly. So let me try that now.